Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. As you can see, I have my new graphics card here, and I'm pretty excited to put it into my PC because it's going to be a lot faster than my old one. As you can see, it's got 8 gigs of GDDR5 RAM, and my old one only has 2 gigs. So it's been about 3 years since I put my last one in, and my last one was about $160, whereas this one was $240. So yeah, I'm expecting it to be a lot faster, and I'm gonna test it using games like Final Fantasy 15 and Tekken 7 and all that. So hopefully it's gonna be great. So here's the graphics card, all wrapped up in a plastic bag, and I even got a new power supply for it, just so that it can run the 6 plus 2 pin power, because originally my power supply had 6 plus 6 pin, and this is 6 plus 2 pin. So have a look. Alright, that's what it looks like. There's a bit of a plastic wrapping. Let's get rid of that. Alright, so there's a 6 pin, so it's not even 6 by 2, it's just 6. That's unexpected. So I could have kept my old power supply. I'm sure it said 6 by 2. So that's the first thing I discovered, is that with this card, the ASRock Phantom Gaming graphics card RX 570, right, this exact model, if you buy it through the internet, only has a 6 pin power slot. So not 6 and 2. So if you have a 6 already, then you can just put it in. Alright, so let's now try putting that in. So let's open up my case. Alright, this is my old graphics card, so I'm going to take it out. Take it out by pushing this down. Yes, push it down. Push this, probably can't see it from this angle. Push this down and pull it up at the same time. So push it down, pull it up. Now, remember to get rid of your display cables first. So I'm just bringing it here. Get rid of the display cables. Pull it out. Okay. So there's that PCIe Express PCI 3. So I'm now gonna. So this graphics card has a lot of plugs. You can remove them. Just take all these out because you don't need it. Very well protected. Okay, so slot it in. It's a very big card. Get the cable out of the way. Now there is even a cover on the bottom. Make sure you take that out. Alright, so push that in. Okay, so push it all the way down. Make sure it's locked. This cable is kind of stuck now on the bottom. But that's alright. It's not really blocking anything. So I don't see a big problem with that. Okay, and the other thing is you need a 6-pin power. So that's where this becomes useful. 6-pin power from the power supply. So you just need to push it down, like so. You hear a very slight click sound. Alright, there it is. And now I guess you just need to screw it in on the side. It's not a very strict requirement. Alright, so now let's test it out. Test it out, see what happens. So I've just turned on my computer, and obviously it's not going to have the right drivers and all that. So you can see that oh, it's actually automatically switched to AMD Radeon, because this wasn't here before. It used to be it used to say what is it? It used to say GeForce something. So now it says AMD Radeon settings, which is really cool. So Windows 10 has automatically installed the drivers for me for AMD Radeon software. If I go to System, is it already? So it's already the latest version. It installed it for me automatically and detected my graphics card. Amazing. Auto detect and install Radeon driver. (2017). Is it Radeon 2019? We don't know if it's the latest. I don't want to put it on C drive. I'll put it on E drive. Actually, I think these are just the setup files, so I'm just going to put that in D drive. Custom install. Yes, so what it automatically installed for me is about 2 years old. Okay, so you want to install the latest. Download install 2019. 19.8.1 is the latest. 19.5.2 is recommended. So I might just go with the recommended one. Install. Should I uninstall the current one? Or will it do that automatically? Install location, C drive. I tend to install things to E drive nowadays. E drive AMD. E drive AMD. Install. Install Radeon Relive. What's that? Skip. Restart. Okay, so it's restarted the computer. So if you right click on the desktop, go to AMD Radeon settings, and then you go into system, and you can see that this is the latest version. Okay, so make sure you get to that before you try out any of your games. And now I'm going to see how fast it is when I'm playing the games. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.